The 28th Avenue, 31st Avenue Connector Project will improve the traffic flow between the universities, the hospitals, the community resources like Centennial Park and the Parthenon, to North Nashville and West End. It will help allow an easier flow of traffic between those locations by creating a direct connection over the railroad and tying the two neighborhoods together. For nearly 2 decades, Metro Nashville has been looking at how they could reconnect North Nashville with West End. Throughout that process, Gresham Smith has been involved in helping come up with a plan to connect the communities. So throughout the planning period for this project, Metro with Gresham Smith and Partners had several meetings with stakeholders along the project corridor. Our team internally at GS&P really collaborated well to hear what everybody was looking for, to keep in mind the mayor's commitment for the city, and to really execute and deliver a great project. The 28th Avenue, 31st Avenue connector is one of Nashville's first complete streets. Complete streets are designed to provide safe and convenient travel for pedestrians, cyclists, as well as vehicles. Along the project corridor, we incorporated clearly marked bike lanes, well-lit pedestrian areas and sidewalks, as well as bus shelters to accommodate transit. The key features that we were able to really work with and improve on their beauty rather than just standard features include rain gardens and bioswales, the bus shelters, the railing and the bridge. We hired an artist who created a fabric on that fencing and sort of a quilting pattern, sewing together these two communities that had been divided by the railroad for so long. What I'm really most proud of on this project is that it's been a really good example of how a well-planned infrastructure improvement can help to transform a community and help to drive economic development efforts in the area. This project illustrates how transportation improvements can support the Mayor of Nashville's commitment to having the greenest, most sustainable city in the country.
I believe this has turned out to be one of the most beautiful thoroughfares in all of Nashville. With this project, we have set a new standard for how to design and construct a signature street in our city, but this is just one of many investments that I believe will transform this corridor in the years ahead.